Hello everyone. Today we will study the factors of polynomial. I have taken the solved sum from the textbook to explain you. Here the general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now before starting this explaining the question, I will tell you that my channel name is Boite Classes. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. I have taken the questions here. Y square minus 3y bracket square minus 5 in the bracket y square minus 3y minus 50. Here you can see that y square minus 3y, we can substitute the value with the x. So our new equation will come here. Instead of y square minus 3y, we will write here x square minus 5. Instead of this, we will write here x and minus 50 as it is. Now we can factorize the middle term. See here 10 5s are 50. So instead of minus 5x, we will write here minus 10 plus 5. Okay, substitute the value or factorize the middle term, split up the middle term. Our question, or here you can see here x, both common x written here in the bracket x minus 10. Here in this 5 common, we have written here x minus 10. Now x minus 10 here comes 2 times, so we will take here 1 time and remaining x plus 5 in the another bracket. Now here we will substitute the value of x. What it is? Y square minus 3y. We will substitute the value instead of x, y square minus 3y minus 10, and here in this bracket y square minus 3y plus 5. Now when we solve this question, our answer will come here y square, splitting up the middle term. 10 means what? Factor of 10, 5 2s are 10. So we will write here instead of minus 3y, we will write here minus 5y plus 2y. So our answer will come here y square minus 5y plus 2y minus 10. From this bracket we have, see here, factorize this middle term, and in this next as it is. Now from this you can see here y will take common here and remaining it is y minus 5, and from this 2 will take, we will common y minus 5 as it is, and this next bracket as it is written here. Now y minus 5, 2 times we will write here 1 time, and y plus 2, that is 1 time, and remaining. This is our final answer. Understand? Thank you.